Alright guys, so before we continue with this video, check out my second channel in order to adapt to that developer mindset, alright? So the link is in the description. Alright, so I'm currently trying out some new approaches when it comes to the giveaway videos, but also when it comes to the tutorial videos. So you'll probably see what I'm talking about in the next tutorial video, which is going to be in 2 days, alright? So we have a Logia effect kit right here, right? And why effect kit? Because this one is pretty easy to edit, alright? So you only have to change a few stuff in order to bring upon big changes, alright? So you can change the color, the transparency, the material, the particles, and the light, alright? So point light. And you can change a lot of more stuff, of course, but you're going to know about the other stuff in the tutorial video. So if you guys want to use that model, links in the Discord server, and the invite link to the Discord server is in the description, guys. So yeah, I highly suggest you to wait for the tutorial, which is going to come in 2 days, in order to be able to fully edit and to fully understand this Logia effect right here. All right. So with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If so, leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends, leave me feedback at the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video. Also, check out my second channel, as I've already told you.